안녕하세요, 여러분. Sienna here. Today, I'm going to talk about how to say I'm bored in Korean. There are two ways of saying I'm bored in Korean. The first is with the adjective 심심하다. This word is used to talk about the boredom you feel when you're alone. The informal way to say this is 심심해. For example, you can say 지금 너무 심심해. This means I'm so bored right now. The formal way to express this is 심심합니다. The standard form of this phrase is 심심해요. Since we're talking about boredom, I wanted to say that I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please be sure to smash the like button. It helps us know which videos you like so we can make more of them. Now let's continue with the second phrase for I'm bored in Korean. The second way to say this is 지루하다. 지루하다 is used when you feel bored by something, like in an event or situation. You can express this word informally by saying 지루해. For example, when you find a class boring, you can say 그 수업은 지루해. This means that class is boring. The formal version of this phrase is 지루합니다. The standard way to say this is 지루해요. Today, you've learned two new phrases to express yourself. When you're bored, what do you do to have fun? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time!